In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shipping protection on Shopify. Shipping protection is a simple way to give your customers peace of mind and protect your business from losses due to lost, stolen, or damaged packages. We'll be using an app called Navidium Shipping Protection, and I'll walk you through everything from installing it to configuring your settings so it works exactly how you want. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. At the top of the page, you'll see the search bar. Click on it, and from the drop-down options, choose Apps. In the search field, type Shipping Protection. From the results in the Shopify App Store, look for Navidium Shipping Protection. Click on it, then click the Install button and follow all the on-screen installation prompts. Just accept the permissions and confirm until the app is fully installed and opens. Once installation is complete, you'll land in the Navidium Shipping Protection dashboard. Here, you'll see a setup tutorial card that guides you through the initial configuration. On that card, click Create Product. This will create the actual shipping protection product that will appear in your customers' carts. After that, click Configure Settings to start adjusting how the protection behaves in your store. Next, click Activate Embed. This will open your Shopify theme editor. On the left panel of the theme editor, look for the Navidium or protection related section and make sure that the protection consent option is enabled. This ensures the widget or checkbox is visible for customers at checkout so they can opt in to shipping protection. Once that's turned on, click Save in the top right corner of the theme editor. After saving, look again at the left panel, scroll down and click Manage App. This will take you back into the Navidium dashboard inside Shopify. On the left side of this dashboard, find and click Settings. This is where you fine-tune your fees, exclusions, and other behaviors. Under the Fees section, you can set your maximum threshold order value, choose whether the protection is a static amount or a percentage of the order, and define the default protection fee. You can also set minimum and maximum protection values, and decide if you want the price to round up or down. There are toggles to enable or disable custom settings, disable protection for international orders, or charge different fees for international customers. After making any adjustments here, remember to click Save Changes. Under Exclusions, you can define which products should not be covered by protection. You can exclude specific product SKUs, product types, or entire collections. You can choose whether to hide the widget entirely for those excluded items, or simply exclude their value from the protection fee. You can also add customer tags and decide whether those tagged customers should not see the widget at all or automatically receive free shipping protection when their tag matches. Again, click Save Changes after you update anything. In the Additional section, you can set your default currency and control how order fulfillments work in relation to protection. You can choose to fulfill protection when other items are fulfilled, which is a partial fulfillment workflow, or when the order is placed, which is more of a regular fulfillment style. You can also set your home country and enable or disable an enhanced disclaimer. If you turn on the enhanced disclaimer, fill in the property name and value so that the information is correctly stored on the order. Don't forget to save your changes here as well. Next, under the product section, you can customize the product name and description of the shipping protection item your customers see in their cart. This is a great place to clearly explain what the protection covers. You can also upload a product image, such as a shield icon or something that visually represents protection. After editing these details, click Save Changes to apply them. Finally, in the App Update section, you'll see options to request additional scopes, like Store Credit Permissions and Cart Transform Permissions. These are advanced options that allow Navidium to integrate more deeply with your store's checkout and order handling processes when needed. Once all your settings are configured and saved, your shipping protection should now be live and visible to customers during checkout. That's how you add shipping protection on Shopify using Navidium, giving your customers an easy way to protect their orders and helping you handle shipping issues more smoothly.